Hello students, welcome you all. So now we are going to discuss exercise 10.4. We'll start with question number 1. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So let's look at the figure. Here are two circles in which the first radii is OP, that is 5 cm, this one. Then PS is given, that is 3 cm, and the distance between the center O and S is given 4 cm. Now we have to find the length of PQ. Okay, in order to find PQ, first if we can find this angle, or if we can prove that this angle is 90 degree, then what will happen? PQ is an chord and OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore R point will be the midpoint of PQ. And if we can prove this angle is 90 degree, then also we can find the length of PR, this length. Okay, so that if we find the length of PR, then we can find the length of PQ, as PR is half of PQ. So now let's move to the solution stage. So look, here what we will do? First we will construct one thing, OQ and QS. Construct, join OQ and QS. Okay, after joining this, we will move to the solution stage. Now we will take two triangle, POS triangle. Triangle POS is congruent to triangle QOS. Why? Because you can see OP is equal to OQ, same radii. PS is equal to QS, radii. OS is common. Okay na? Therefore we can say these two triangles are congruent. Region is side, side, side. You can give the regions which sides are equal. Now we will move to these two angles. So these two angles must be equal. Angle POR will be equal to angle QOR. Why? CPCT. Now we will take two triangles, triangle POR triangle, this triangle, and angle QOR triangle. Here triangle POR will be congruent to triangle QOR. These small triangles, POR triangle and QOR triangle. Why they are congruent? Look, OP is equal to OQ. You can give the reason. These two sides are equal. These two angles we have just proved, POR angle and QOR angle. These two angles are equal. And OR is equal to OR, common side. So that the region is here side, angle, side. Give the region why and which of the sides, which of the angles are equal. Now as to these two triangles are congruent, we can say these two angles are equal. Which angle? Angle PRO or ORP you can say. So angle ORP is equal to angle ORQ. But both the angles are on one line, or we can say they are linear pairs. So implies that angle ORP is equal to angle ORQ and it will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, as this angle is 90 degree, then we can say R is the midpoint of PQ, or we can say implies that. So whatever you can write, so PR is equal to QR. PR equals QR. Okay, so these are the general assumption. Okay, this much, but we have to prove this much thing. Okay, so now we know that PR equal to QR and angle PRQ equal to angle QRO, sorry it's O, is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we will move to find the length of this PQ. Okay, so What we will do here, we will assume let the length of this UR, we will clear the figure a little bit. Okay. Now let UR is equal to X. Okay. Now you can see PR square, PRO is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle POR, okay, PR square is equal to this OP square minus OR square, OP square minus OR square implies PR square is equal to OP square. OP length is 5 centimeter, so 5 square minus OR is your X square. Write it as statement 1. Okay, then we'll write here again PR square, again PRS is a right angle triangle, so PR square will be equal to PS square minus RS square. Again PR square equal to PS square, look at the figure, PS square minus RS square implies PR square equal to PS is your 3, this length is 3 centimeter, 3 square minus RS, who is RS, look at the figure, RS is OS minus OR, OS minus OR square implies, now PR square again equal to 3 square is your 9 minus OS minus OR, look at the figure, OS is your how many, how much, it is 4, OR is your X, we have to assume that OR equal to X, so we can write 4 minus X whole square implies PR square is equal to 9 minus, write the formula for A square plus B square minus 2AB, so 16 A square plus B square is your X square, A square plus B square minus 2AB, so minus 8X implies PR square is equal to 9 minus 16 will be minus 7, now leave the bracket also, so minus X square plus 8X. Okay, now you see PR square, write it statement 2. You can see statement 1, PR square is 5 square minus X square. Statement 2, PR square equal to minus 7 minus X square plus 8X. So both the statement LHS are equal, so that RHS will be equal. You can write 5 square minus X square. So from statement 1 and 2, we can write 5 square minus X square, 5 square is 25, 25 minus X square is equal to, here you can write minus X square, just rearrange it, minus X square plus 8X minus 7. Okay, now you can cancel this minus X square and minus X square implies 8X, here bring this minus 7 to LHS, so 25 minus 7 will be plus 7, 25 plus 7 will be 32, so 32 will be equal to 8X implies X will be equal to 32 by 8, 32 by 8 equal to X, which will be equal to 4. So we got the length of X 4. Now come to here. So who was X? OR was the length of X, that is equal to 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find the length of RP. Now this is a triangle POR in a triangle is a right angle triangle in which OP equal to 5, OR is equal to 4, and we have to find the length of RP. So RP square equal to this 5 square minus 4 square implies RP is equal to 5 square is here, but just write the root over 5 square 25 minus 4 square is here 16, which is equal to root over of 9, which is equal to 3. So we got RP equal to 3. Who is RP? This length. RP is equal to 3. Now we know that RP is half of PQ. So implies, like you can write, implies PQ equal to 2 into 3, which will be equal to 6 centimeter. So we got the length of PQ. PQ is 6 centimeter.